Hi, welcome to Bobbins and Bows of Bear YouTube tutorial for how to change your ball of yarn, or how to change to a new coloured ball of yarn, whichever you need to do. So you've come to the end of your wool and you need to change to a new one, or you're doing a stripe of a different colour and you need to change to that colour. So we always change at the beginning of a row. Okay, so this is an Aran jumper I'm knitting. It's just a sleeve. And I need to change colour at the top. So I've got 5mm needles, as my pattern has said. So we're going to start with the new colour. So I've got a red to match the cuff. What we do is we start the first stitch as you would without doing anything different. So you put your needle in. I just tighten that stitch up a little bit. Leave a little bit of a tail. Make a loop. That over your needle, and you do a stitch with that new wool like that, and it's all loose, so be careful not to move things around too much. And then you put your needle into the next stitch, and then you get your ball end, so you let your tail drop like that and use your ball end of the yarn to make the next stitch. Don't pull anything too tight. There we are, so you've got 2 stitches but nothing's tied off right now. So now we have to put this down very carefully. So pop it down like that. Just make sure your needle ends are not going to come out. Okay. Okay, so we're going to tie off our ends now. So you need the tail end of the red and you need the end of the wool you've just finished. Okay, and we tie them in a knot. So you just tie them to each other. Just a double knot, and you'll sew the ends in later on. And carefully pick it back up. And that's your new wool attached. So you just carry on with this, with your new colour. And away you go. That's all there is to it. So just remember, don't change in the middle of a row unless your pattern tells you to. Always begin a new row with a new colour. And I've got a video for how to use stripes, how to do stripes in your knitting, so you can look that video up if you like. Okay, and that's all there is to it really. Okay, I hope that was helpful. Hope you learned what you needed to with that video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks very much.